Day 3 of FESPA and we're loving it. The industry is back and this is actually the first chance we have to show our new baby to the big public. Our new baby, the Colorado 1630. A very attractively priced printer with UV gel technology at the heart. And this is a real Swiss Army knife. And the good thing about it, we build it up in a modular fashion. What does it mean? So you have the base product, and then you have options that you can choose, like the second media roll-on Ryan, double-sided printing, or the flex finish. If you want it, then you take it. If you don't want it, then you don't have to. And the good thing is, after it's installed, if you decide you do want the second media roll, you can always upgrade it later. So it's field upgradable. Swiss Army knife, you have a whole variety of applications, going from wrapping paper, the famous mixed mass gloss, the faux leather that you have here, unique, and even magnetic media. Sticks to it. This is award-winning technology, and actually this is just in. We just were awarded 2 Pinnacle Awards, one for the technology and one for the product. This is the best you can get in the market. Colorado 1630.